So the question says match the following. So we have two lists here, list 1 and list 2. So list 1 is talking about different types of fluids like Newtonian fluids, ideal fluid, thixotropic fluid and rheological fluid. And list 2 is talking something about the properties of the fluids. So let's check one by one which of the following is correct. So the answer for this question is C. So this is the diagram which shows different types of fluids and their corresponding examples. Slope at any point is called as viscosity in this diagram. So let's see now the first, that is Newtonian fluid. So corresponding to the A, we have options 2 and 3. So if we check option 2 and 3, option 2 says viscosity is invariant with shear stress, and option 3 says viscosity decreases as at higher shear stress. So we are not sure about which of the option is correct. So let's check option, that is B. So B says ideal fluid, and corresponding to B we have 1 and 4. So 1 says frictionless and incompressible. So this is correct. So corresponding to B, 1 is correct. So we have the two options now, B and C. So let's check C. C is thixotropic fluid, and corresponding to C we have option 3 and option 4. So viscosity decreases at higher shear stress and viscosity increases at higher shear stress. So to find out this, we have to draw first the diagram for thixotropic fluid. So this is the curve for thixotropic fluid. So if we draw it here, it will be like this. Now we'll take 2 points here. This is the first point and this is the second point where the shear stress is higher. So this is the slope 1 and this is slope 2. So we can see as the shear stress is increasing, the slope is decreasing. That means viscosity is decreasing. Hence, for thixotropic fluid, viscosity decreases at higher shear stress. So corresponding to C, the option will be 3, and hence the correct answer is C.